Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Ibis Paint X and loading the canvas you're working on. Make sure you're on the layer that shows the timer overlay, otherwise you'll edit the wrong element. Once done, tap the tool icon to reveal drawing tools and look for the timer or sticker element in the toolbar. You're not changing app settings yet, you're preparing the layer and tool so the timer becomes selectable. This precise targeting is why the method reliably removes the timer. Now you'll select the timer directly. Use the lasso or rectangular selection and tightly trace the timer area so only the overlay is inside the selection. Once selected, switch to an eraser set to match background texture and opacity. Test on a corner. Then erase or cut the selection. If the timer sits on its own layer, simply delete that layer. Make sure to zoom in and clean edges with a smaller eraser to avoid visible artifacts. Finish by deselecting and inspecting the edited area at full size so you catch blending inconsistencies. If remnants remain, use the clone stamp or matching brush to recreate background patterns. Work in small strokes and keep opacity low for a natural result. Save or export a copy once satisfied. If the timer reappears later, search for duplicate layers or hidden groups that contain the overlay and remove them. If needed, save a new file to prevent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.